We haven't been formally introduced. I'm
William Donlow, Langley. We met 30 years ago. Almost.
So you're him.
I understand I owe you my life. I don't know how to make amends for what I've done to yours.
That's a matter of perspective, friend. If you hadn't broken in the vault 30 years ago, I'd probably still be there. I'd probably even think I was happy. I never would have found the only home that's ever brought me peace. And I certainly never would have met the woman I love. There's nothing to be sorry about. I owe you my life.